So this question is from GATE 2003 Electronics branch. It was of 2 marks. So it says that an input voltage V of t is equal to tan root 2 cos of t plus 10 degree. So this is a tan root 2 cos of t plus 10 degree plus tan root 5 cos of 2t plus 10 degree is applied to a series combination of R equal to 1 ohm and L equal to 1 Henry. So we are given a series RL circuit with R equal to 1 ohm and L is equal to 1 Henry. So we have to find the resultant steady state current in amperes. So this is a very easy question. The only thing in this question is that there are two different frequencies. So if I write, then V of t is equal to tan root 2 cos of t plus 10 degree and plus tan root 5 cos of 2t plus 10 degree. So angle is same for both, but frequency is different. If we compare with the general form cos of omega t plus phi, then here omega is equal to 1. See, I am comparing this equation with the general form. So either it is cos of omega t plus phi or it is sine of omega t plus phi. This is the general form of voltage. A cos of omega t plus phi, where A is the amplitude. So for this amplitude is tan root 2 and for this amplitude is tan root 5. For this amplitude is tan root 2 and for this amplitude is tan root 5. Angle is same for both. For this angle is 10 degree, for this also angle is 10 degree. But frequency is different for both. For this omega is equal to 1 and for this part of voltage omega is equal to 2. So omega here is equal to 1 and omega here is equal to 2. Now current is given by voltage upon impedance, and impedance for a series RLC circuit is R plus j omega L. So I will be equal to V upon R plus j omega L. So I will be equal to tan root 2 cos of t plus 10 degree. And value of R is given as 1 and L is also given as 1, and for this omega is 1. So R is 1 plus j and omega is 1, so 1, and L is also 1, so 1. So 1 plus j. And for this part of the voltage it is tan root 5 cos of 2t plus 10 degree. So similarly R plus j omega L, so R is 1 for both plus j, omega here is 2 and L is 1, so it will be 1 plus j2. So I of t will be equal to, now the magnitude of 1 plus j is equal to under root 2. And its phi is tan inverse of 1 upon 1, so it is 45 degree. Tan inverse of 1 upon 1, which is equal to tan inverse of 1, which is equal to 45 degree. So magnitude is under root 2 and angle is 45 degree. So we have to, magnitude is under root 2, so denominator is in under root, so denominator is root 2, so root 2 and root 2 will cancel, so it will be 10, and cos of t plus 10, and angle is 45 in the denominator, so when it will go in the numerator it will get subtracted, so minus of 45. So this is for the first part. Now for 1 plus j2, magnitude is equal to 2 square plus 1 square. So magnitude is under root 5. So under root 5 in the denominator and under root 5 in the numerator as well. So both will cancel. So we will be left with 10 cos of 2t plus 10. And now we have to find the angle. So angle will be, phase will be phi equal to tan inverse of tan inverse of 2 upon 1, tangent inverse of 2 upon 1. So tan inverse of 2 upon 1 we can also write it as tan inverse 2. So this is equal to tan inverse of 2. Tan inverse of 2 upon 1 is equal to tan inverse 2. So we can subtract it. So 2t plus tan minus tan inverse of 2. This will directly get subtracted. So this is the answer. This was the option given in the question. This was an MCQ question. So this option was given tan cos of t plus tan minus 45. So minus 45 we can write it as minus 35. Tan minus 45 is minus 35. So t minus 35 plus of tan cos of 2t plus tan minus tan inverse of 2. So the correct, this was the option given, it was option C. So this is the how we find the value of the current. So just we have to remember it as there were two parts of the voltage signal. So in the first part omega was equal to 1 and in the first part omega was equal to 2. So when we find R plus j omega L, then we have to put omega is equal to 1 for this term and put omega equal to 2 for this term, because here omega is equal to 2 and here omega is equal to 1. So this is how we solve these questions. So it was very easy question, just omega value was different. So if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Please leave your feedback and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt, you can just message me. I will solve all your doubts. So please like and share the video and also share with your friend circle. Thank you and best of luck for exams.